Hi guys, I'm here in Target and we're gonna look at some costumes here. So guys, this is if you're gonna need a costume here in Target, you can do the cat, the deer, and this one. You can see different kinds of headbands and unicorn headbands and giraffe headbands and skirt and other costumes here. And this is the costume to the Sandbands if you want. And Toy Stories. And you can find Harry Potter costume. And you can also get one Transformers and other Transformers. And here is the Dino Fairy Power Rangers. And the Pink Power Ranger and the Blue Power Ranger and Wonder Woman, and Batman and Hulk Adventures, Captain America, Spider-Man. The price of Spider-Man is $1. These are the Ladybug costume. Some of here is $15 and $25. The princess costume, $15. Moana and $35. And Jasmine costume, Elsa costume. The hair is $15. There you go. This is the pony costume. And the dinosaur costumes. These are $25. There you go. This is with the air inflation is around $60. The police guard dinosaur costume. These are the wig, and you can see also the paint makeup you can apply to your face for Halloween. And these are the costumes of the Nightmare Before Christmas. This is the costume of the Heidi Ick. $15 from Target. Welcome. This is Halloween. And these are the skeleton decorations for Halloween. These are the Halloween costume decorations. This is the pumpkin. Oh, I love this pumpkin. Here. It's a plastic pumpkin. It's light. You can put some battery, it would light up. And these are the goodies for Halloween. You can find $1 with the vampire teeth. Everything is $3 and $1. You wanna go crafting with the kids? These are some happy crafting for the kids. $50. are the indoor decorations for Halloween. These are for outside decoration for Halloween. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.